Video.
She's gonna make a video of the video.
Is that not funny? And Jeannie gave me one of those digital Christmas tree ornaments, and they stacked it with all the kids' baby pictures with Santa.
Oh, I wanted to thank you for the donations. Those were 2 good donations.
Good. You like those, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the boys, I gave the boys, they got 2 kitchen sinks for Habitat for Humanity, and Jeannie got, what did you get? Oh, Southern Side, feeding people at the Southern Side for a week or a day or something like that. But
There's Rachel. Tell Rachel to scoot down. There's Rachel, right there.
There's Rachel.
You know what? She looks a little bit like her father, too.
She looks more like her mother, though.